Are you struggling to make consistent profits in trading? You've got the right strategy, your charts are perfect, but you still keep losing money? Then maybe the problem isn't in your indicators, it's in your mindset. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful trading books ever written, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This book isn't about technical setups, it's about mastering the mental game of trading. Let's break it down. Part 1, The Truth About Trading. Trading is a game of probabilities. Mark Douglas says, you need to start thinking of each trade as an independent event, just like a casino where each spin is random, but the system still makes money in the long run. Great traders don't try to win every trade. They trade systematically. This shift in thinking takes you into the zone, a place with no fear, no overconfidence, just pure discipline. Part 2, Freedom from Fear and Emotion. Have you ever hesitated after a big loss or stayed in a trade too long out of greed? Douglas explains, fear and greed are the enemies of traders. To break free, you need confidence in your system, not in predicting outcomes. Each trade must be treated separately from the last. If you have a tested system, just follow it. No emotions, no second guessing. In trading, success doesn't come from feelings, it comes from process. Part 3, The Edge Mentality. One of Douglas's most powerful ideas is the edge mentality. Having an edge means you have a strategy that gives you a small statistical advantage over time. But it doesn't guarantee that every trade will win. You must fully accept the risk of each trade, without fear of loss or need to be right. When your mind is trained to stay emotionally detached from outcomes, you begin to trade without hesitation, fear, or overconfidence. That's when you truly enter the zone. Part 4, Avoiding Self-Sabotage. Have you ever canceled a trade last minute, or removed your stop loss, or taken revenge trades after a loss? That's self-sabotage, and it comes from subconscious beliefs. Maybe you fear losing money, or maybe you feel guilty about success. Douglas says, until your beliefs support the realities of trading, consistency will be impossible. Ask yourself honestly, am I emotionally ready to accept uncertainty? If the answer is no, you're not in the zone yet. Conclusion. Call to action. Trading in the Zone isn't just a book, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are as a trader and what's holding you back. If you want long-term success, you must master your mind before you master the market. Remember this key message from the book. You don't need to know what's going to happen next to make money. You just need to follow your edge with discipline every single time. If you'd like me to break down each chapter of this book or share mental exercises to develop this mindset, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe because your trading future is written by your mindset. I am Ankit. See you in the next episode with a new insight to help you level up. Until then, stay disciplined, trade smart, and think in probabilities. Good luck.